Jiffy Lube had people online for oil changes. I got people looking for free work. Anyway, onto this Audi. This Audi was a used car dealer car sent here for a coolant leak. And let me show you, Audi sells a hose kit for this engine. The entire hose kit. So what happens here, this goes underneath the other water pump. This Y section's leak, and then it goes back over to something else over there. I think it's like that. Oh yeah, it's like that. So this hose assembly, there's a water pump or something underneath here. I think it's the water pump or thermostat housing. And then it has this Y pipe, it's leaking here. Then this goes back to another water pump. And if I had the diagram of what Audi sells you, it's an entire hose kit. Does Caleb have the box, or did he throw the box out already? Ah, okay. So what's in the whole purchase for the hose assembly? One hose assembly, two hose assemblies. This goes that way, and then I also asked for the 12-volt water pump on the side of the cylinder head. I don't know what he did with that. Maybe he's already onto that piece. And I said, what I had to tell customers, like, it's all plastic. If everything breaks, the one hose kit doesn't even include the 12-volt pump on the side here, and it doesn't include that pump. So I said, this is ridiculous for an Audi, but yeah. So coolant leak under the throttle body was from this plastic hose assembly, and Audi sells it as a hose kit, but it doesn't include the water pump, either water pumps. Yep, there's another hose, and then the 12-volt pump. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching.